やってたのにやってるから番組。
Excuse me, I'm asking interview, but is it okay? Or
Sorry?
I'm asking interview for tourists in Japan. Is it okay? Is it okay? If you uncomfortable, I don't want.
Our English is not very good there.
But my English is not good enough. Is it your trip
Yes.
to Japan?
Yes.
And is it your first trip?
My first trip, our first time in Japan.
And how long you gonna stay in Japan?
We have been 10 days. We arrived in Tokyo 25th September. Then we went to Kyoto.
Kyoto?
Then to Osaka, Hiroshima, and then back to Osaka. And now we are in Tokyo. And the day after tomorrow we leave and we go back to Italy.
So you already went to Osaka, Kyoto, and Hiroshima?
Yes.
Is that right? And you already walked a lot?
Sorry?
You already walked
Yes.
a lot?
Yes.
Uh,
Around 25,000 rupees per day.
I like walking, but after that I'm already like exhausted. But you walking a lot, right, every day?
Yes.
So far, where is the place you like in Japan? Like in Kyoto or in Osaka or?
What's my favorite place in Japan?
Yeah, yes.
Maybe Tokyo.
Tokyo.
Yes, Tokyo.
And you went to Shibuya or somewhere?
Yes, Shibuya.
Where? Yeah. Where did you come from?
Italy.
Italy. Why did you choose Japan as a travel destination?
Because we already have been in different places in Europe, different countries, France, England, Greece, Spain. We have walked a lot around Europe and America too, so we decided to come here. And between the Asian nation, Japan is our favorite nation.
What Japanese culture
Yes.
you're interested in?
Yes, because we don't are really fan of anime, manga, but a lot of friends of us really love Pokemon, One Piece, Dragon Ball. So in Italy, we know something about Japan because a lot of kids are fan or they love this kind of culture. About food too, like sushi and something like this.
Like what food do you like the most in Japan? What food?
What food?
Yeah, thing you eat?
Maybe it's noodles, chicken, fried chicken, rice, and this kind of food, soup.
And is there anything you could not eat? Like you tried but you don't like it? It might be like a cultural difference. Like, taste
yes,
difference,
some kind of seafood. I don't know the name.
Like fish kinds?
No, it's like a sides. Like we went in a sushi restaurant and as a sides in a small cup there was something gelatinous, gel things. Was salty.
Salty.
I don't know what it was, but it was
seaweed kind of thing.
I don't know.
Where is your plan today? Like where you?
We have been in Akihabara to buy some souvenir or some skins, some Pokemon.
For your friend.
Yes. Carry these things in Italy.
What do you think the cultural difference? Like Italy and Japan?
In Japan, people are very quiet.
Right.
They are very educated. They respect the line. There are a lot of lines to the bus, to the metro, and the metro is very different from what it is in Italy because it's bigger and there are a lot of stations. But people is always with a smile. It's a very quiet place.
Oh, yeah.
We went around a lot, even in the night, and we always feel okay, feel secure. We don't have any warning, anything that let us feel uncomfortable. So it's a nice place.
So far, you liked the trip?
Yes, a lot.
Thank you so much. And thank you so much for us. Thank you.